The most important investment you can make is in yourself. Warren Buffett. These words, spoken by one of the most successful investors of all time, Warren Buffett, hold the key to unlocking the millionaire mindset. But what does it truly mean to invest in yourself? It's not just about stocks and bonds, it's about much more than financial assets. It's about investing in your growth, your knowledge, and your ability to create value. This means dedicating time to learning new skills, expanding your horizons, and constantly seeking self-improvement. The journey to financial freedom starts with a conscious decision to invest in yourself, to prioritize your personal development and well-being. To become the best version you can be, you need to focus on both your mental and physical health. This includes setting clear goals, maintaining a positive mindset, and staying committed to your personal growth. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Real success requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. It's a 30-day challenge to reshape your thinking, to develop new habits that will set you on the path to success, to embrace new habits, and to step outside your comfort zone. This means trying new things, taking risks, and pushing yourself beyond your limits. Over the next month, we'll embark on a transformative journey together, one that will challenge you, inspire you, and ultimately lead you to a better version of yourself. This journey can lead you to financial abundance and a life of purpose. By investing in yourself, you are laying the foundation for a future filled with opportunities and success. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? The journey starts now. Let's begin this exciting adventure together and see where it takes us. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Imagine your ideal life. What does it look like? Picture it vividly in your mind. Where do you live? What are you doing? Who are you with? Now write it down. This isn't daydreaming. It's the first step in creating a concrete roadmap for your future. By putting your thoughts on paper, you start to give them form and substance. Setting clear, specific goals is like drawing blueprints for your success. Just as an architect wouldn't start building without a detailed plan, you shouldn't embark on your journey without a clear vision. Don't just say, I want to be rich. Be specific. Define what wealth means to you. How much money do you want to have by when? What steps will you take to achieve this? What will you do with it? Will you travel the world, buy your dream home, or start a business? The more detailed your vision, the more real it becomes in your mind. And when you can see it clearly, believe it, and feel it, you're already on your way to achieving it. Visualization is a powerful tool that bridges the gap between dreams and reality. This is the power of visualization. It transforms abstract ideas into tangible goals, guiding you step by step towards your ultimate success. Formal education will make you a living. It provides the foundation, the basics, and the essential skills needed to navigate the professional world. It equips you with the tools to secure a job, earn a steady income, and build a career. Self-education, on the other hand, will make you a fortune. Jim Rohn. This form of learning goes beyond the classroom. It involves a personal commitment to continuous growth and development, seeking knowledge that can transform your financial future. The journey to wealth is paved with knowledge. Successful people are lifelong learners. They understand that education doesn't stop at graduation. They read, they study, they attend seminars, and they constantly seek new information. They understand that the more they know, the more they grow, and the more opportunities present themselves. Knowledge opens doors, creates connections, and provides the insights needed to make informed decisions. Start with these two classics, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill and Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. These books are not just about making money. They are about changing your mindset and understanding the principles of wealth creation. These books will challenge your beliefs about money and success, opening your mind to new possibilities. They will teach you to think differently, to see opportunities where others see obstacles, and to take control of your financial destiny. But don't stop there. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, immerse yourself in the world of finance, entrepreneurship, and personal development. The more diverse your sources of knowledge, the more well-rounded your understanding will be. The more you learn, the more confident you become, and the closer you get to your goals. Confidence comes from competence, and competence comes from continuous learning. So take charge of your education and watch as your life transforms. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Robert Collier. Success isn't a destination, it's a journey built on daily habits. Wealthy individuals understand the power of routine. They start their days with purpose, engaging in activities that nourish their mind, body, and spirit. Create a morning routine that energizes and inspires you. This could include meditation, exercise, journaling, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of coffee while visualizing your goals. Incorporate gratitude practices into your day. Take a few moments each evening to reflect on the things you're grateful for. This simple act shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a mindset of abundance.
If you're serious about making money online and want to see consistent profits, consider joining our Forex Signals group on Telegram. We provide daily signals that you can simply copy and trade. Our members are seeing great results, and you can too. Forex trading can be complex, but our signals simplify the process. Each signal includes entry and exit points, stop-loss levels, and take-profit targets. All you need to do is follow the instructions and execute the trades. To get started, join our Telegram group using the link in the description. Once you're in, you'll receive daily signals directly to your phone. Our experienced traders analyze the market and provide high-probability trades, taking the guesswork out of trading.
Section 5. Your circle of influence. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, said Jim Rohn. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your mindset and your results. Millionaires understand the importance of building a strong network of supportive, like-minded individuals. Seek out mentors who have already achieved what you desire. Their experience and guidance can be invaluable on your journey. Attend industry events, join mastermind groups, and connect with people who inspire you. Remember, your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with positive, ambitious individuals who will challenge and support you on your path to success. Section 6. Embracing calculated risks. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks, said Mark Zuckerberg. Taking risks can be scary, but it's essential for growth and success. Millionaires aren't afraid of failure. They see it as an opportunity to learn and improve. The key is to take calculated risks. Do your research, weigh the potential rewards against the potential downsides, and trust your gut instinct. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. The greatest rewards often lie just beyond the edge of your fear. Section 7. Value creation over money. If you're not making someone else's life better, then you're wasting your time. Your life will become better by making other people's lives better. Will Smith. True wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about creating value for others. Millionaires understand this principle. They focus on providing products, services, or ideas that solve problems and improve people's lives. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? What need can I fulfill? How can I make a difference in the world? When you shift your focus from making money to creating value, money becomes a byproduct of your efforts. And when you're passionate about what you do and the impact you're making, success becomes inevitable. Section 8. The power of resilience. The world breaks everyone, and afterward many are strong in the broken places. Ernest Hemingway. The road to success is rarely smooth. There will be obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it's during these challenging times that your resilience is tested and your true character is revealed. Develop a practice of journaling and reflection. Write down your goals, your progress, your challenges, and your lessons learned. This will help you track your growth, identify patterns, and stay focused on your vision. Remember, setbacks are temporary, but your mindset is everything. Cultivate a mindset of resilience, persistence, and unwavering belief in your ability to overcome any obstacle. Section 9. Consistency is key. Success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent hard work gains success. Greatness will come. Dwayne Johnson. Consistency is the bridge between goals and achievement. It's not about being perfect every day. It's about showing up and putting in the work, even when you don't feel like it. Make a commitment to take daily action toward your goals, no matter how small. These small steps, taken consistently over time, will compound into extraordinary results. Remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your vision, stay consistent with your efforts, and never give up on your dreams. Section 10. Unleash your potential. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. You have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. The journey to a millionaire mindset starts with a single step, a decision to invest in yourself and unlock your full potential. Embrace the challenges ahead, for they will only make you stronger. Surround yourself with positive influences, learn from your mistakes, and never stop believing in the power of your dreams. The world is waiting for your unique gifts and talents. Now go out there and make your mark. The future is yours to create.
Bonus tip: consistency is key. Keep learning, stay dedicated, and never give up. Success comes to those who persist. And don't forget to join our Telegram Forex group. It's beginner friendly. Just mention that you came from this video and we can help you get started. Subscribe to Club 31 for more tips on achieving your financial goals.